What's going on, guys? Check out the Euros. Alright, so today we got another mod, another cool one too. We have a check it out, That's right, boys. Look at the blue stitching. That's right, boys. We got a carbon fiber steering wheel. With the Alcantara. It's gonna look nice. Alright, so look at this, man. It looks so good. Alright, so according to CJ Point Parts, these are the tools that we need. Some Allen wrenches, screwdriver, flathead, some Torx bits, this panel remover, 1/2-inch ratchet with the 24mm socket. Alright, so let's get to it. Alright, so first we want to remove the airbag, and according to Bill from CJ Point Parts, a 4mm is what you need. So let's try to get like, man, let's see. Okay, there you go. Oh, man, this is some scary stuff, bro. Alright. Huh. Oof. That is scary sounds, man. That's some scary sounds. Alright, let's see if this pops up. Oh.
Like a 4mm works perfectly. All you're gonna do is put it in this little hole here. You're gonna slide it straight over, and then you're gonna feel a spring. Push against the spring, and then your bag will pop out. Do the same thing on the other side.
Well, mine didn't pop out like that. This guy lying to us.
Pull the airbag and disconnect the plugs. Grab the tab out, push down to remove this one.
What?
Pop these little orange tabs up.
Hold on.
Bag is up. Now pull this harness aside. Plug the main harness back here.
What? Mine didn't pop out like that.
Last step, remove the bolt.
Hold on.
Driver, plastic. Like a 4mm works perfectly. Push against the spring, and then your bag will pop out. Do the same thing on the other side.
What? Hold on, bro. What the?
The airbag and disconnect the plugs. Grab the tab out.
What?
Push down to remove this one. Pop these little orange tabs up.
Alright, so after like 30 years, man, finally got her off. I ended up using this small little screwdriver. Man, it wasn't coming out, man, with that Allen wrench.
Pull the airbag and disconnect the plugs.
Show us, Bill, show us.
Grab the tab out, just push down to remove this.
Oh, okay.
Grab the tab out, just push down to remove this one.
Oh, there you go. Okay.
here. The last step is to remove the bolt. Side, you want to unplug the main harness. Figure airbag is up. Now pull this harness aside. You want to unplug the main harness back here. The last step is to remove the bolt. Side, you want to unplug the main harness back here. Last step is to remove the bolt.
Okay, so I don't have a deep socket, 24mm, but it's loosening with this, so so boys.
Wheel from the car to remove the bolt.
How come mine didn't come off? Whoa. Oh, here you go. So now we just gotta unbolt these and move the trim over to this side. Let's do that real quick. Alright, so since mine is an automatic, we gotta take off the paddle shifters. Ooh. Okay. Alright boys, let's go.
The automatic, your paddle shifters will be here. You're going to remove that as well and just transfer it over to the new wheel if you have an automatic. This usually is going to grip on the corners here. It'll pop right off.
That easy? I don't believe you, dude. I don't believe you. Oh, fuck, man. Oh, there you go. There you go. There you go. It is that easy. Oh, yes, it all came down. Thank God. Alright, next we gotta remove this part. I got it hurt pretty, but basically just gotta grip it and pull it. Let's go. Alright guys, so 20 years later and we're done, baby. Look at this. Looks pretty good. Alright, let's see if this doesn't pop out.